As we've been telling you, Floridians have been struggling to pay their homeowners insurance, but state lawmakers think they have a solution.
During Wednesday's special session in Tallahassee, the state house approved its version of a bill aimed at stabilizing the market and helping bring down premium rates.
Yeah, our Amber Robb's been looking into that tonight. She joins us live with the details.
I'm in a neighborhood where several people use Citizens Insurance as their insurance provider. And if the governor puts pen to paper on Friday, their policies could change next year. The legislation passed by both the House and Senate creates a $1 billion fund for insurers to buy reinsurance, speeds up the claims process, and forces people out of using Citizens Insurance, Florida's last resort insurer. In Palm Beach County, more than 115,000 homes are insured through Citizens. More than 1.1 million Floridians are insured through Citizens after many insurance companies went insolvent or left the state. Republicans saying this bill is exactly what our insurance market needs.
Insurance companies are in the business to make money too. If they can't make money here, if they can't stay solvent, they're gone. It's a business decision. If they're gone, we have less pull to get insurance from, which supply and demand tells me that it's going to go up.
The bill also creates a $1.7 million fund to investigate bad faith carriers and requires anyone with a Citizens policy to buy flood insurance.
Having that as a requirement will result in additional costs for consumers.
Insurance lawyer Sharon James says this bill will have some negative short-term impacts on homeowners, but eventually could stabilize the market.
It will lead to long-term improvements in the marketplace, but at a short-term cost. So it's really hard to say that overwhelmingly that it was positive because there are some significant areas where it's wait and see. So we'll continue to wait and see whether or not there'll be rate relief.
Democrats like Senator Tina Polsky believe the bill has good intentions, but she worries it's going to do more harm than good.
To change such a complicated system like the insurance industry in 2 days is not right. We didn't have enough opportunity to make the bill better. They wouldn't accept any of the 20 amendments that were on the Senate floor and the same in the House. No bill is perfect going out of the gate.
The bill is waiting approval on the governor's desk right now, and during a news conference today, DeSantis said he plans to sign several bills on Friday. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.